Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make the most hidden base of all times. So like if you're new to a survival server and you still don't have a protector and you have like your inventory is full and you wanna keep your stuff, you wanna have like a secret base. So most people would say just build it in the sky. But like for a new player, it's like quite difficult to like place blocks like 1,000, then destroy them, then place blocks up. And some other players would say just build it underground. But the problem is that in blocks there is an X-ray texture pack, so like your base will be found in no time. So I have found the best way to hide your base in plain sight. So the first step is to find an autumn leaves biome. After you found one, which is pretty easy, you want to find a tree that the leaves are like at least 3 blocks above from the ground, just like this. This one is 4, so it's okay. So afterwards, you want to add another layer of leaves, just like it's shown. And of course, in the corners, you can just do it like a bit normally, so like it doesn't look suspicious. So just like that, follow the example. Add another layer of leaves. Then you want to go up and make sure the top 2 layers are looking like this. So the two top layers are like a square of 9 blocks. Then on each side there is a block. And in the middle there is blocks, just like this. Make sure you have that on your tree. Alright. Then you want to dig here 4 blocks. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So yeah, just like that, and dig one here. So as you can see, there is 1 layer between us and like the outside. And you want to dig all around. So you should always make sure there is 1 layer of leaves between you and the outside, because this is gonna be like the wall. So your base is gonna be like 3 blocks by 3 block square. Then you wanna mine this maple log here, because like it's useless. We can use this and place a workbench in its place to gain like space. Then you wanna grab your artisan bench, place it next to the workbench, grab your furnace next to the artisan bench, and then place 3 chests here. Yeah, just 3 chests here. Then we have this block here. You can use it as a chest, but I like to put a special block. So I put a jack-o'-lantern, but like you can choose any block. This is like a free block, it doesn't really matter. Then you want to place your bed here, and then the other chest here. Then now comes here a little tricky part, because that's going to be like the entrance from up. So you want to go up and place a block above like the limits, you see. And then you want to go down, grab your fallen maple leaves, like the slab maple leaves, and you want to make it like this, so it's like undistinguishable between the maple leaves and the fallen maple leaves. So this is going to be the entrance to the base. And of course you need to exit it, so that's why you're going to put an iron ladder or a normal ladder, and just so you can exit it easily and safely. But of course to exit it you need to do the TNT jump, which is crouching on the ladder, then jumping and releasing crouch. So I think that's all for today, guys. I hope you've enjoyed today's video. Do all the good things, subscribe, like, comment and share. And I guess I'll see you in the next one.